Look, I'm not going to waste your time with theory or motivational fluff. Starting a business is hard, and about half of all new businesses fail within 5 years. But here's the deal. Most of those failures happen because founders skip critical steps or don't know what they don't know. In the next 7 minutes, I'm walking you through every single step you need to launch your business the right way. From validating your idea to landing your first customers. Let's get into it. Before you spend a single dollar, you need to validate that your business idea solves a real problem people will actually pay to fix. I'm talking surveys, customer interviews, and a deep dive into what your competitors are doing right and wrong. You need to understand your TAM, SAM, and SOM. That's total addressable market, serviceable addressable market, and serviceable obtainable market. Sounds fancy, but it just means figuring out how big the opportunity is and what slice you can realistically capture. Build out your ideal customer profile. Who are they? What do they need? What keeps them up at night? Then look at your competitors. What are they charging? How are they positioning themselves? And where are the gaps you can exploit? Use both primary research, like talking directly to potential customers, and secondary research, like industry reports and data. The more you know now, the fewer expensive mistakes you'll make later. Now let's talk structure, because this decision affects your taxes, your liability, and how easy it is to scale. The main options are sole proprietorship, LLC, S Corp, and C Corp. My advice? For most people starting out, an LLC is the sweet spot. Once you've chosen your structure, you need to register your business with your state. Pick a name, make sure it's available, and grab the matching domain name while you're at it. Then file your articles of organization or incorporation with your Secretary of State. After that, apply for an EIN. That's your employer identification number from the IRS. Think of it like a social security number for your business. The application is free and takes about 10 minutes online. Let's talk money. First, open a dedicated business bank account. Do not mix business and personal finances. Shop around for a bank that offers low fees, good online tools, and merchant services if you need to accept credit cards. Next, set up your accounting system. I recommend a cloud-based tool like QuickBooks Online. It's affordable, easy to use, and integrates with your bank. Set up a basic chart of accounts, create invoice templates, and start tracking every expense from day one. Reconcile your accounts monthly so you always know where you stand. Now, how are you going to fund this thing? Options include bootstrapping SBA loans, grants, crowdfunding, or if you're building something big, angel investors and venture capital. Choose wisely based on your business model and growth plans. You've got to protect what you're building. Start with insurance. General liability covers accidents and injuries. Professional liability covers errors and omissions if you provide services. Talk to an insurance broker who specializes in small business. Next, licenses and permits. This depends heavily on your industry and location. Check your state and municipal websites. And if you're in a regulated field, you'll need additional permits and inspections. Finally, protect your intellectual property. If you've got a unique brand name, logo, or product, file for trademarks. Use NDAs when sharing sensitive information. Your IP is often your most valuable asset. Treat it that way. Now for the fun part, building your brand and getting in front of customers. Your brand is more than a logo. It's your name, your visual identity, your voice, and the feeling people get when they interact with you. Then build your website. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it needs to be professional, mobile-friendly, and clear about what you offer. Set up your Google business profile so you show up in local searches. Claim your handles on the social platforms where your customers hang out, whether that's Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or TikTok. Build a simple funnel and launch with 1 or 2 tactics you can execute well. Track your key metrics from day one. Customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, conversion rates. Your first customers are gold. Treat them well. Ask for feedback and use their success stories to attract more. You're up and running, but the work doesn't stop. You need systems to stay compliant and scale efficiently. File your annual reports and pay your state fees on time. Stay on top of federal, state, and local taxes. As you grow, document your standard operating procedures so you're not the bottleneck for every decision. Hire strategically, starting with roles that free up your time for high-value work. Build a simple dashboard with your key metrics: revenue, expenses, profit margin, cash flow, customer count, and review it monthly. Growth is a cadence of planning, executing, measuring, and improving. stay disciplined, stay curious, and keep moving forward. There you have it. The complete roadmap to start your business without the fluff. If you found this video was of value, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informational videos like this.